Worksheet 2 of chapter Perimeter and Area. Now, question number 1. The figure 11.6 shows two paths drawn inside a rectangular field 50 meter long and 35 meter wide. The width of each path is 5 meter. Find the area of the shaded portion. यहाँ पर क्या है, एक रेक्टेंगुलर फील्ड है 50 मीटर बाई 35 मीटर. इसमें दो क्रॉस पाथ बने हुए हैं, एक पैरेलल टू द लेंथ एंड पैरेलल टू द ब्रेथ. द फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ द शेडेड पोर्शन. ओके, दिस इज अ फिगर. 5 meter length, 35 meter wide, 5 meter breadth of this path. This is the 5 meter. Now here is a rectangle, one rectangle. This is one rectangle. Name this A, B, C, D. And the another rectangle, this one. Name P, Q, R, S. P, Q, R, S. And here is a square, because this is the 5 meter length and 5 meter wide. This is a square. You can take the name E, F, G, H. Okay. The area of the shaded portion means area of rectangle ABCD plus area of rectangle PQRS minus area of EFGH. Why minus? माइनस क्यों कर रहे हैं? क्योंकि इस रेक्टेंगल में ये एरिया ऐड हुआ प्लस इसमें भी हो गया, यानी ये एरिया क्या हुआ, 2 टाइम्स ऐड हो गया, इसलिए इसको एक बार सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे. ओके, द एरिया ऑफ रेक्टेंगल इज लेंथ इंटू ब्रेथ. ABCD लेंथ इज 50 एंड ब्रेथ इज 5. ओके, एंड PQRS 35 इंटू 5 minus 5 into 5. Okay, the area of shaded region. The answer is area of ABCD plus area of PQRS minus area of EFGH. Okay. Now the area of ABCD is 50 into 5. Area of PQRS 35 into 5. And EFGH 5 into 5. Now solve. 250. 5 to 5, 25. 175 minus 25. Okay. 250 plus 150. 175 minus 25, 150. The answer is 400 square meter. Okay, this is the area of shaded region. Simple question. Question number 2. An oblong garden measures 60 meter by 55 meter. From the center of each side, a path 2 meters wide goes across to the center of the opposite side. Find the area of the paths. गार्डन है जिसकी लंबाई कितनी है 60 मीटर, breadth 55 meter. From the center, a path 2 meter wide. Same question. Across the center of the opposite side, 1 and 2. Find the area of the path. The same question like question number 1. This is a rectangle ABCD. Second rectangle PQRS. And third is EFGH. This is a square. The breadth is 2 meter. This is also 2 meter. So we can write direct area of path. Both path. Area of ABCD plus area of PQRS minus area of EFGH. Okay. Same question. Length is 60 meter. Breadth is 2 meter. Length is 55 into 2 and minus 2 into 2. Now you can solve 120 plus 110 minus 4. Okay. 230 minus 4. 226 square meter. This is the area of the path. Now question number 3. A rectangular plot of length 300 meter long, 250 meter broad. It has two roads, each 3 meter wide, running midway. Within it, one parallel to the length and other parallel to the breadth. Find the area of the roads and also calculate the cost of constructing the roads at 50 paisa per square meter. This is also the same question. All the three questions are same. This is the figure. 300, 250 meter and 3 meter wide road. Same area of the road. Area of the road 1 ABCD is 300 into 3. Area of road PQRS 250 into 3 minus area of EFGH. Okay. Area of roads. Area of ABCD plus area of PQRS minus area of EFGH. Same formula. Now you can put the values. Area of ABCD means 300 into 3. Length into breadth. 250 into 3 minus 3 into 3. 900 plus 750 minus 9. 1650 minus 9. It means 1641 square meter. Now the cost for making this, making it rupees 50 per square meter. The cost of making the roads 1641 area into 50 rupees per square meter. Now multiply 0, 5, 20 rupees 82,050. The cost of making the roads is 82,050. And the last question number 4 is, a rectangular piece of ground is 45 meter long and 30 meter wide. It has two roads, each 1 meter wide, running midway within it. One parallel to the length and other parallel to the breadth. Find the area of the roads and also calculate the area of the remaining ground. Same question. Okay. This is the figure. Roads are 1 meter long, broad. This is the 1 meter. So here is 1 by 1. Okay. Now find the area of roads. Same. Area of roads means area of ABCD plus area of PQRS, area of PQRS minus area of EFGH. Okay. So simple. 45 into 1. Roads are 1 meter broad. 30 into 1 minus 1 into 1. 45 plus 30, 75 minus 1. It is 74 meter square. And the other question is, find the area of remaining portion. Remaining means this portion. After the roads, this area. So you can write area of remaining portion equal to area of rectangle, yani 45 into 30 minus 74, area of roads. Okay. 1350 minus 74. Subtract 6, 7, 1276 meter square. This is the area of remaining portion. Okay.